There are certain steps that you need to follow to get them actually removed. Number one, generally have a conversation with the trustee or executor, if you can, to bring these things to their attention. It's possible they might correct course and not have to be removed. Often that's not the case. I've found in my career that if you have a bad trustee or bad executor, they don't very often change course. So what you want to do is talk to a good attorney who has experience in the area of breach of fiduciary duty litigation. The attorney can guide you through this process, but generally it's going to require filing something with the court, the local probate court that handles both estate cases and trust cases. You file a petition with the court, Judge, this is what's going on with this trust or with this estate. We need you to step in and remove this trustee or executor because they're causing harm to the trust and to the estate. Now, depending on what's happening with the trust, how apparent the breaches are, how apparent the stealing of money and these other problems are, that relief, that removal of the trustee or executor could happen pretty quickly within a couple of months at best case scenario. Other times the judge might look at this and say, okay, I see what you're saying. I have concerns. I share those concerns, but we can't make that determination whether they should be removed until we have a trial on these issues. After that trial, I'm going to decide whether that trustee should be removed, whether the executor should be removed, and also whether they should pay any damages back to the trust because of the breaches they do. Once you've got it into court and you've filed that petition with the court asking to remove the trustee, we also need to replace the trustee. Typically, the trust or will name a successor. If there's concerns with the alternates, we'd also raise that with the court and ask them not to appoint them. If there's a situation like in an estate where there is no will or a trust, the court's going to look and say, okay, who else is qualified to serve? Are there other children that might step in to do that? And we want to put that in front of the court, let them know this person's qualified, able to act, and will take care of the job.